Did you ever wonder how a patent clerk became the most influential physicist of the 20th century? This is the enigma of Albert Einstein. Born in Germany in 1879, Einstein was far from an ordinary child. Fascinated by the mysteries of nature and the universe, he developed a keen interest in physics early on. However, his journey wasn't without its struggles. Traditional education didn't quite agree with Einstein. He often found himself at odds with the rote learning methods of the time. Yet, this didn't deter him from pursuing his passion. Instead, it fueled his self-study, leading him to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he graduated as a teacher in physics and mathematics. But the road to recognition was still long. Einstein began his professional life not in academia or a grand laboratory, but in the Swiss Patent Office. This humble beginning, however, was just the start. Despite his unorthodox start, Einstein was about to embark on a journey that would redefine our understanding of the universe. What if I told you that in 1 year Einstein produced 4 groundbreaking papers that shook the foundations of physics? Welcome to 1905, a period known as the Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year. This was when a humble patent clerk named Albert Einstein, far from the hallowed halls of academia, published 4 papers that forever altered our understanding of the universe. First, he explained the photoelectric effect, shedding light on how electrons are emitted from matter when hit by electromagnetic radiation. Next, he demystified the dance of particles in a liquid, a phenomenon known as Brownian motion. Einstein then introduced the world to the theory of special relativity, challenging our notions of space and time. And finally, he presented the world with the most famous equation in physics, E equals mc squared, linking energy, mass, and the speed of light. In a single year, Einstein had not just made a name for himself in the scientific community, he had changed it forever. But Einstein was not done. His most significant breakthrough was yet to come. After a decade of rigorous calculations and contemplations, Albert Einstein presented the world with his magnum opus, the general theory of relativity. This wasn't just a refinement of our understanding of the universe, it was a complete overhaul. In the simplest terms, Einstein proposed that what we perceive as the force of gravity is actually the curvature of space and time around a massive object. Imagine a bowling ball placed on a trampoline, causing the surface to curve inward. Now, if we roll a marble on the trampoline, it will spiral inward towards the bowling ball. Not because of an invisible force pulling it, but due to the curvature of the trampoline surface. That's a rudimentary way of visualizing Einstein's groundbreaking concept. But theories need validation. The perfect opportunity came during the solar eclipse of 1919. According to Einstein's theory, light from distant stars passing close to the sun should bend due to the sun's gravity. And guess what? Observations during the eclipse confirmed it. The light did indeed bend, just as Einstein predicted. This was more than just a scientific victory. It was a philosophical revolution, changing how we perceive our place in the cosmos. The universe was no longer a static stage on which we perform, but an active participant, its very fabric influenced by the presence of matter and energy. With the general theory of relativity, Einstein had once again reshaped our understanding of the universe. So, what is the legacy of this patent clerk turned scientific revolutionary? Albert Einstein, a man whose name is synonymous with genius, has left an indelible mark on the world of science. His theories and discoveries have shaped the course of modern physics and continue to influence scientific thought even today. Einstein's contributions to quantum mechanics, though initially controversial, have proved invaluable. His work on the photoelectric effect, which demonstrated the particle-like properties of light, was a pivotal breakthrough. It laid the groundwork for the development of quantum mechanics, a field that has since revolutionized our understanding of the microscopic world. But Einstein's influence extends beyond the realm of academia. His role in the development of the atomic bomb, though unintended, was significant. His famous equation, E equals mc2, explained the massive energy potential of atomic reactions, which eventually led to the creation of this devastating weapon. Yet Einstein was a staunch advocate for peace. Horrified by the destructive power of nuclear weapons, he spent his later years campaigning for nuclear disarmament and the peaceful use of atomic energy. Albert Einstein, a man of humble beginnings who dared to question the universe, has left a legacy that continues to shape our world and our understanding of the universe. His curiosity, brilliance, and dedication to the pursuit of truth serve as an inspiration for scientists and dreamers alike, reminding us of the power of a single, daring idea.